Well, we're not really finding any good stuff, but we're out here in the country, man. Those all look like marijuana plants. They're just Christmas trees. But yeah, we're out here. This is boring is what this is. Or, well, near boring, actually. This guy's plowing through. That'd be cool to just go drive through that frickin' shit, but it's way too thick with mud, so I can't be going through that. But this isn't too bad. What we're hoping to find is like maybe a trail or something, but you know, get you guys some good content. But so far, no luck. But hey, at least we came out into the snow to see what's going on. Check it out. This turn's looking pretty gnarly. Oh yeah, we're fishtailing that bad boy. He might be fishtailing back there too. Nice. Yeah, we're like cruising down this back road now. Going about 40. We're in two-wheel drive. We're not even trying to do anything crazy. Look at that back road. It's a nice one. This is where we want to be, but we gotta find something. Yeah, maybe a little turnout or something, you know. I forget about all this stuff, but hey, we're cruising right now. And now let me tell you, when you're cruising this fast through this bullshit, it's really easy to fucking just lose it, because it'll just well, what it is, it's so thick that it'll just kind of slide you right off the road if you're not careful. So you have to be real careful. Looks like we're just kind of hitting a bunch of country here, though. I don't want to just waste gas, so we'll probably turn around here a little bit. See what JC has to say. Yeah. That looks like it's all exotic stuff that they're selling, like plants. Huh. Well, we made it to the stoplight, so that's up that hill. Yeah, we ain't going up that hill. That hill looks gnarly. Yeah, okay. We'll hit it just because. Nah. I don't know. Let's see. What we got going on? I guess we'll go left. I've never been left. So we'll just go check it out. We'll see what's left. Well, left looks like it's pretty plowed, actually. Yeah. It's looking pretty plowed left. Doesn't look like there's much going on. But look how beautiful this is. I really do live in such a beautiful area. And I get all the seasons. It snows, you know. Oak Park 4 Mile. Alright, well, let's go check it out. Some park down here. Got 4 miles to a park. So, let's see what we got. Alright, JC. Let's hit the afterburners. Here we go. Now we're ripping. Dude. Oh, yeah. No one's really came through here yet. So it's just like, well, I mean, they have, but they're all just kind of going on the same trail. Okay, this is where we got to get careful. Now we're in plow land. All right, nice. I found the good stuff, guys. Okay, so it's just a road, but right now I'm barely even getting through it because it's in two-wheel drive. But here's the thing: I just go like this, and that's it. We're in two-wheel or four-wheel. All the way up here. JC's kind of having a little trouble, it looks like, getting through this bullshit. There we go. We were only partially locked in there. Now we're locked in. See, it says part-time right there. So we're just in four-wheel high is what that means. But hey, this road's perfect for what I was looking for. Look how deep this is. I'm sure my transfer case is literally hitting the snow right there. Okay, so we'll just keep going. Dude, this is cool. Look at this place. Man, you know what? We might as well just plow our own little road too. I don't know what happened to Joe. No, there he is. I see him. He's back there still. Yeah, we're just making our own road. Yep, there's a park right here, so I've never been to it. So let's go check it out. Oh, well, that's land for sale. There you go. Some farming land. I want to buy something out here eventually. Man, if I don't pay attention, this stuff's so deep, I could just get lost in it. Oh, yeah, this is the good stuff right here, baby. Whoa. Go off the side of the fucking road. This shit's so fucking deep. This shit is deep, man. Nice. So I have no idea, but this says, okay, driveway entering road ahead. I don't know. So, I have no idea where we're at. Probably don't want to go too far in this, but I mean, it's just a back road. It's always fun to check out, you know, new places. See what's around the corner in your backyard. Thanks, JC, for giving me $20 for gas so that we could go out and film some content. Oh, looks like we got ourselves a Hummer. So we'll have to get over for him so he can do his thing. He's doing his thing over here. We got a big boy. So I literally have no idea where I'm going. I'm just driving around, but this stuff looks all plowed. So I'm thinking maybe, well, there we go, back into two-wheel drive. JC went through all that and just two-wheel drive, but his tires got a bigger knobbies on them. They're actually the same tires, just bigger. I have no idea where we're going, but it sure looks cool. Man, there's just so much going on here. Okay, here we go. What's this say? Okay, so here we go. Oxbow Park is what this is. They're calling it Oxbow Park, I guess. I don't know. It's a cool little lake right there. Man, this is probably all property that's just for sale out here. Look at this. It's like vineyards. Oh no, they're like olive trees or something. Crazy. That might have been the park actually back there. Let's see. Yeah. We might have to go a little further to find the park might have actually been back there. Maybe I mistaked it, but we'll see. Just keep going for a minute. Alright, well, I'm going to sign out here for a little bit, and then when we find what's going on, I'll sign back in. So, stay tuned, like, subscribe, and share. Portland Blizzard 2022.